well-being is very important to me. Every day, I try to live a healthy and happy life. For my physical and mental health, I need a good daily routine. In the morning, I always get up early. I drink a large glass of water and do 20 minutes of sports at home, or I go for a short run in the park. The movement in the fresh air wakes me up and does me a lot of good. After my exercise, I make a nutritious breakfast. I usually eat fruit, yogurt, and muesli. Healthy nutrition is important to me because it gives my body a lot of energy for the day. During the day, I have a lot of stress at work. I work many hours and sit at my desk for a long time. To stay focused, I take regular breaks. During these breaks, I do a short relaxation exercise. I sit quietly, close my eyes, and breathe in and out deeply. I also eat a healthy snack like nuts or an apple. This routine helps quickly against stress and lowers my screen time. In the evening, I enjoy my free time. I cook a fresh dinner and meet my friends or my family. Sometimes we just talk, and sometimes we enjoy our favorite hobbies together. These social contacts makes me feel satisfied and less alone. At the end of the day, I turn off my phone and go to bed early. Good sleep is very important for the body and the mind to recover. I try to sleep for 8 hours every night. That way, I feel completely fit, well rested, and ready for a new day the next morning.